Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So before us today, you see a bunch of the mini peppers. They come assorted in the little plastic carrying bag that you get at grocery stores. These come from Aldi. These are red, yellow, and orange peppers, and they're the mini peppers, and they're usually sweet. So they are getting a little bit wrinkly in my refrigerator, and I'm not going to be using them up. So I'm going to be dehydrating them, and I'm going to be making them into pepper powder. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting them up, putting them in my dehydrator, and showing you guys how to make powder out of them afterwards. So let's get started. So I have already cleaned them, and all I'm going to do is cut them into little pieces and put them in my Excalibur dehydrator. And they are going to be dehydrating for probably about 4 to 5 hours, and then I will take them out and show you how I make pepper powder. Okay, so here are the peppers all cut up, and we are going to put them on a tray with a Teflon paper down on it so that they don't fall through, and we're going to dehydrate them for at least 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so this is my stainless steel dehydrating tray. This is my Teflon sheet. You can see that it's well used. And all I'm going to do is sprinkle these on here. And then it's going to go right into the dehydrator. And then we are going to be making pepper powder with this. So you can leave these just like this until you're ready to make the powder, until you're ready to use it, because if you need to use pepper for anything, you have dehydrated pepper already, and if you don't need the powder, you want to wait until the last minute. Just like any other powder that I make, I always leave it in the full form until I absolutely need the powder. So, just in case I need the full form food. So if I need peppers, then I'm going to leave it just like this until I need the powder. And what do you use the powder for? You can make a seasoning mix. You can put it on some pizza, which is really good. You could do a ton of stuff with it. Just flavor foods. Really, really good. I'm making a stuffed pepper mix today, and this is really good for that, you guys. Okay, so into the dehydrator it's going, and then I will be back with a different video to show you guys how I make pepper, how I store it, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching, and the word of the day is multiple color peppers. So that's what you guys comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe so you're eligible to win. Please like the video, comment the word of the day, and we will see you soon.